Even on the day of festival, my lord, he has taken the child to far away and has brought sweets, my lord, from outside, my lord. There is no food prepared in the home, my lord.
She is all false.
She is left
this is
out of tears, my lord.
absolutely scandalous
Even after, making
allegations.
so
I will
many
not
sweets
accept.
in the home, my lord, she is unable to feed the child, my lord.
Bill number 3, Nagesh Vinay.
Order.
May I please, your lordship?
What is that?
I did not have the school calendar at my disposal.
What is it now?
My lordship, now, even if the same order is continued, I'm ready to comply with it. I'll send him to school on 2 days. Otherwise, whenever you have given me the 10 to 7, you can switch it to like overnights. And whenever there is this thing over
Holidays or how many days are the holidays?
24th to 4th, my lordship. So 12 days will be the holidays.
24th to
4th.
total 12 days.
Yes.
My lord, may I just submit, my lord? Since from the birth of the child, my lord, he hasn't stayed with anyone else, my lord, than mother. Even he is well attached to his grandparents, my lord. Only for limited hours he is with the grandparents, my lord. Then time and again he is asking
Whatever
me
order
other, my
is
lord.
passed, mother is aggrieved. Whatever order is passed,
No, my
mother
lord,
is
not,
aggrieved.
my lord.
How
For
many
daily,
times she has come to the High Court till now?
my lord, it is party in person, my lord. The matter was disposed of, my lord, by this honorable court.
Forget
He was,
about this
my lord, he was
disposal.
represented by advocate, my lord. The arguments are
Understand that
been canvassed, which
past
was
occasion
rejected by
also,
this
I
court, my lord.
remember all that before the lower court also he appeared. Here also
My
advocate
lord,
appeared.
he has engaged advocate, my lord. In family court, he is represented by an advocate, my lord. Here itself, he is represented by an advocate, my lord. When the adverse orders are passed against him, he is coming in
No
as a
adverse
party in
orders are
person.
passed. What he is
My lord,
seeking is,
my lord,
whatever is apprised to his advocate about the visitation, that was not placed before the court.
My lord.
Because I remember that day, I asked the advocate, you want any extension of visitation? Then the advocate said, no, I do not want. Anyhow, these are all
My lord,
review
all
and
the-
all is a different aspect.
Please, my
So
lord, I'm not at all.
when the family court has granted him overnight visitation, you have come before the court.
Please.
Because of an order that is passed in the review petition by me, the other bench has suspended that, stayed that order.
My lord,
You
no,
have
may,
a benefit of his review,
my lord,
order
may,
in his review.
my lord, may I submit, my lord? Even before passing the stay of this impugned order, my lord, court has asked both mother and child to be present before the court, my lord. After interacting with the child and the mother, my lord, only then the impugned order is stayed by this court, my lord. It was come up before vacation bench 2 times, my lord. On the first occasion, court has asked mother and child to be present before the court, my lord. On the second occasion, the mother and child was present before the court. Even after interacting with the child, only then the impugned order is stayed,
My
my
lord,
lord.
that is false, my lord.
Please wait. What did the child say?
My lord, child is comfortable.
The mother,
My lord,
you please read the order that is passed by me after interacting. Not that I have not interacted.
my lord, not with the
When I
child, my lord.
interacted, mother said absolutely the father was always at liberty to come. She has not expressed anything with regard to the relation between the father and the child.
Please,
What
ma'am.
she expressed was the father, he has some anger management issues. That's the difficulty.
Please, ma'am.
If he goes through any of the counseling and all, she is ready to reconcile with the all other issues.
Please,
Is
ma'am.
it not?
Please, ma'am.
When there
That
are
is-
no issues with the father and the child, what is the difficulty of the mother?
My lord, that is the bearing which it is upon the child, my lord. Due to the anger issues on the father, it is created.
So, on the last occasion when she
Well,
met in the chamber,
My lord, that was the issues, my lord, which was brought to your lordships, my lord. Because of that anger issue, the child is now totally uncomfortable. For the short, my lord, for the short period of time, my lord, he is comfortable with the father. But during long hours, my lord, even on the day of festival, my lord, he has taken the child to far away and has brought sweets, my lord, from outside, my lord. There is no food prepared in the home, my lord.
My lord,
She
it's
is,
all false,
she
my
is
lord.
left
This
out,
is
out of tears, my lord.
absolutely
Even
scandalous
after, making
allegations.
so
I will
many
not
sweets
accept.
in the home, my lord, she is unable to feed the
when
child,
the
my lord.
advocate is arguing, I'll leave this matter here and post it after vacation. Yes.
My lord, even today, my lord, he is giving all the junk food to the child, my lord. Now, when mother feeds the child with the homemade food, my lord, like chapati and all those foods, my lord, he is refusing to have that food, my lord. He's like, I want chocolate, sweets, biscuits, and all those things, my lord. This is the apprehension, my lord. She is left out of tears, my lord, after hearing from the child that he is unable to have the food and all those things, my lord.
These are not that big issues that for that
My
we
lord.
should not give in visitation.
My lord, visitation, we are not at all objecting that, my lord. From 10 to 7, let him have the visitation, my lord.
Ma'am,
But,
for 2 days, I have given
my
you
lord,
only
overnight
for 2 days.
custody, it is very much difficult, my lord, for the.
I said you can question this order before the Supreme Court. Yes. What
Yes, my
are
lord.
the dates?
My lord, let my submissions be heard, my lord.
24th,
Let my submissions be recorded in the order.
Yes.
24th it starts, 4th it ends, my lordship.
My lord, I'll take the first of, my lord. Let him exercise on second of, my lord, because from January.
So that also now you will have your own, last time you said you will take second half.
Please, my lord. Then, my lord, I told me to the court, my lord, that vacation starts from 24th, my lord. He submitted that it starts from 20th, my lord.
No,
Then after
whatever it
having
is,
heard from
even
the,
when I asked,
please, my
you
lord.
said that the first term be taken by him.
Please, my lord, that is what. Then I asked
What
with
I'm
the client,
saying,
my
that
lord. My lord.
mother and like she is always at a higher pedestal, that whatever is convenient to her, whatever is suitable to her, that's the order the court
My
should
lord, may I
pass.
submit, my lord? This DGMWC petition was filed when the child age of about 11 months, my lord. Even then, mother has given visitation to the father, my lord. There was no order passed by any of the court, my lord.
Yes.
Mother is not even coming in the way of father exercising
22.
visitation with the child, my lord.
24, it's about how many days? You said
12
12
days
days.
total,
12
my
days.
lords.
And you say the last, the child has to study 2-3 days, it has to be left.
Please, my lord, on Saturday, Sunday, because Monday the school starts, my lord. Then he has to be accommodated to
So
all
then
these
what
things,
we
my
do
lord.
is that Saturday, Sunday, that would be her 50%, not his 50%.
My lord, 2 to 6 is getting visitation on Saturday and Sunday, my lord. Every weekend is getting visitation from 2 to 6.
Please understand what is the order that is passed last time.
My lord.
Now, the order of the family court with regard to the interim custody was 50%, 50%.
Please, my lord.
Now, what I did was, in that 50%, 50%, if it is like 8 days, 3 days, it is overnight. Remaining 5 days, it was the day visitation between 10 o'clock to 7 o'clock. That's what I did.
Please, my lord.
That time you are submitting that. The last 2-3 days, because of the school and all,
Please, my lord.
like that is let they know that is not that at that time it is not possible, something is that. Then I said, whenever the 50% visitation she have, he'll not have any visitation as far as the vacation is concerned.
Please, my lord.
After the
Complete
vacation, again that whatever the
arrangement
court has
was
said,
met.
you
Let
said
it go.
it should be not be between 7 to 9.
Please, my
It
5
should
to
be
7.
between 5 to 7.
Please, my
That also have accommodated, saying
Please,
that
my
it
lord.
should be between 5 to 7. So now, if it is 24/12/2025, now the last 2 days you are going to have, that Saturday and Sunday,
Please,
because
ma'am.
the child has to be there.
Please,
So
ma'am.
those 2 days, and you will get another 4 days this side of the vacation.
Please, my lord.
So
Right.
that is 24th, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th. So 24 to 27, it's with the mother. 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st, 1st, 2nd. These 6 days. Out of these days, 28th and 29th, he will have the overnight visitation. 30th, 31st, 1st, and 2nd, he will have the visitation between 10 to 7.
Lord, the overnight custody, considering the tender age of the child, my lord, let it be happen after a period of time, my lord. Let him pass test of evidence. Let the matter be heard, my lord. We'll permit him the overnight custody. We are not refusing, my lord. But considering the tender age of the child, he is aged about 3 or 4 months, my lord. When he is going to the work and is nobody at home to take care of the child, my lord. When he's at the work, there is no one.
At home, and he'll go to the work according to you.
My lord, we don't know where he is working, and we is appearing as a party in person. We don't know, my lord, where he is working. How will he take care of the child, my lord? Mother is having her father-in-law,
The
for father
is
and mother.
Father is staying very near to that's what was the last time.
Evening times, my
No.
lord. Evening times, he is getting visitation, my lord. During daytime, he's going to work and is indulging in some other activities, my lord. We don't know, my lord. Because mother, even though she's well qualified, she's unable to.
My lords, I work for a South Korean company. I hold a PhD from Johns Hopkins. I was a scientist at UC Berkeley. My working hours are end at 2 p.m. because the South Korean has
You're
from morning
telling
to
as if
10.
he's
My
some
parents live with
My lord,
me.
academic.
randomly
My lord,
going around.
absolutely, wife and me acknowledges the academic excellence, my lord. But that all these things are not coming in the way of making these family arrangements, my lord. Even though he's well qualified, my lord, family court has erroneously came to the conclusion that he is a doctor, my lord.
You're like switching from one to the other. First, what you said was, you don't know what are his whereabouts,
during-
where is he working, where is he staying. That's what is a submission.
Please, my
So
lord,
please
during.
stick to that. Let him answer to that.
Please, let him.
Yes.
My affidavits have all the details about how I can take care of the child. My parents live with me. Her parents do not live with her. And my working hours are absolutely, and I don't have work on the vacation days. I have enough leaves. I can absolutely take care of the child. Is also very comfortable.
Okay.
With same place, my lordship. It's 450 meters away from her residence in CV Ramanagar.
Where is your working place? Where is your
Working
office?
place is around 5 kilometers away from my.
Where is that?
It's a Bagmane Tech Park in Mahadevpura, my lordship.
Please come. Learn counsel appearing for the Now on 15/12/2025, an order is passed considering the vacation from 20th of December. Then the party in person has moved the court stating that he has a correct, he could get the correct details from the court. The vacation starts from 24/12/2025 to the child. When the matter came up before the court today again the submissions were made by the land council appearing for the mother that overnight custody is not in the interest of the child. He has never stayed. He has never stayed with anyone except the mother. It is further stated that the father is giving the child all the junk food, and when the mother is trying to feed the homemade food, is reluctant to eat. And it is stated that nobody stays at the house of the the father. They are not even aware of what are the whereabouts of the respondent, where he is working. As far as day visitation is concerned, they are comfortable. But the overnight visitation, it's not in the welfare of the child. And also the mother, as per the counsel for the mother, such an order is not, shall not be passed at this juncture. Next part. Land council, the party in person submits that he works for a South Korean company. His office is situated at
Mahadevpura, Bagmane Tech Park, Mahadevpura.
Mahadevpura Bagmani Tech Park, and he stays 450 meters away from the
Mother's
place
residence.
from the place of the mother. All the details of his his address and all is mentioned in the petitions that are filed before this court. Along with him, his parents stay along with him. As the mother, according to the party in person, mother stays alone.
It's their submission, my lordship.
Mother stays alone. The next part. The family court has given 50% registration, and these are basing on the order passed by this court. Basing on the order passed by this court in the review, the court has stayed the family court order. Even in the interaction with this court earlier, there was nothing forthcoming that the boy was not comfortable with the father. When both the parties were residing in a close proximity, this court do not find any reasons not to grant the overnight custody to the father. So, it is submitted by the the counsel for the mother that she wants to have the first half of the vacation, and on Saturdays or Sunday before the reopening, the boy will have the school activities, the school work to do. Considering the same, from 24/12/2025 to 27, the boy shall be exclusively with the mother at that point of time. Number one, this is number one. At that point of time, the father will not have any visitation as ordered by this court in the review petition. Then father will have the visitation on interim custody on 28, 29, 30th,
27th onwards.
30.
27th onwards, my lordship.
No, 4 days I am
25,
getting.
26 she
Till
has
24 to 27, she will be with the mother.
4 days. Okay, and last 2 days. Okay.
Yes, 28, 29, 30th, 31st, 1st, 2nd. In these days, on 28th and 29th.
My lord, let it be on 30 and 31st, my lord.
Huh?
Please 2 days he is to get accompanied to the father, my lord. Let the overnight custody be on 30 and 31st, my lord.
Oh.
Immediately.
28th, 29th, the father will have the visitation between 10 to 7. 30th and 31st or 31st or 1st?
31st and 1st statement.
Huh?
31st and
30th
1st.
night, 31st night he is asking. That is absolutely fine.
31st and 1st. 31st and 1st, the father shall have the overnight custody. When the and again 30th, 31st, 1st and 2nd, and on from 3rd to 4th, 3rd and 4th, he'll be with the mother, and at that time again the father will not have the visitation as ordered by this court in the review petition. Next, when the child is with the father, whenever the child wants or whenever the mother wants to talk to the child by video, public audio calls, the father shall accommodate. And if the boy is not comfortable or anything, any issues pertaining to the child which are required to be shared with the mother, he has to be in touch with the mother and inform her about how the visitation is going on.
And
Yes,
also,
this is my
my lord, the child is suffering from kidney related issues, my lord. Let him administer.
All
No,
this
my lord,
medicines
let him administer medicines to the
I
child, my
think I
lord.
have passed an order in this.
My lord, mother
that-
has to send the videos to the father, my lord. When
That's
father
what
is
I'm
with the child, the
saying.
father.
Those were the days, according to him, mother is not taking care.
My lord,
Isn't
these
it?
observations,
That's why
my
the
lord.
court said, let mother send the videos. The father also shall send the videos
Sure, ma'am.
pertaining to the medicines and the other routine of the child.
One small clarification, my lordship. Ever since the order was passed on 26/6, the mother is sending videos without the audio, my lordship. I don't know the reason for that. Let me also be permitted to send the same thing, my lordship.
My lord.
This is the fact.
If you say like that, I think I'll withdraw this order.
No, no.
Not required. You send with audio.
Okay, my lordship.
My lord,
Much ob-
let this order be permitted to hand delivery, my lord.
Yes.
Grateful.
ఇక్కడ ఆస్ట్రాలజీ మీదేనా